Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm sharing 4 highly effective exercises for housewives that will not only keep you fit but also boost your energy levels. Let's get moving. First up, we have aerobic dance. This fun and energetic workout is perfect for getting your heart rate up and burning calories. Just put on your favorite music and dance like nobody's watching. Next, let's turn a chore into a workout. Scrubbing floors on your hands and knees, especially in a bathroom or bathtub, can be a vigorous exercise. Not only will your house sparkle, but you'll also get a great workout. Playing with your kids can be a fantastic way to stay active. Whether it's a game of tag or a fun obstacle course, vigorous playtime is a great way to bond with your children and stay fit. Finally, carrying groceries upstairs is a practical and effective exercise. It works your legs, arms, and core. Next time you go shopping, skip the elevator and take the stairs. That's it for today. These exercises are not only effective but also fit seamlessly into your daily routine. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fitness tips. Stay active and healthy.